dogs eat the conkers, you know. No, dogs eat. The conkers make dogs poorly. No, it's nice to conkers. Conkers are yucky. They are not yucky. They are. No, why do you say these conkers are yucky? Mummy?
Yeah?
Why do you say these conkers are yucky?
Well, you don't eat them, do you?
Dogs eat conkers. No, dogs don't. Dogs don't eat conkers. Mummy, I love fighting dogs.
Okay.